Tesla Model 3 in, we're doing another spring installation on this one. Unplugged Moderate Springs and a camber kit. We've done a few others, but I think this is my first time filming an unplugged one. I don't know. It doesn't matter. We're gonna be doing that today. This is nice.
That makes me wish my camber arms looked like that. You don't want to see what mine look like. They're red and they look really thin. One of them looks, it might be bent.
The whole purpose of this is so then you can control
your arms.
You need to go up. That you're centered, but you need to go up.
Blah 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 blah.
Definitely a noticeable difference with the unplugged springs. It does drop it a good amount. Still has some wheel gap, but it's nothing too crazy like it was before. Definitely an improvement for sure. And since these also have the camber kit installed, it should help with the tire wear. And like usual, if you have stock wheels on your Model 3, keep in mind that they may sit in a little bit more so than probably what you see right here, since these are aftermarket. You don't want spacers or new wheels, otherwise it's gonna look kind of funky. Look what we got in, guys. Vossen HF5 in matte bronze. As you can see, it has this really cool texture effect to it, the finish. 20 by 11 has a good amount of concavity, as you can see. Look at that. This is actually gonna be going on the Supra that we just did an exhaust on. You guys might remember that from a previous vlog. Really cool finish if you're trying to go for something that's a little more aggressive and a little bit more rugged, because the texture effect really gives off that rugged look.
Moments later.
Hi guys, I'm Haywood. I am Haywood. Haywood is my name. Okay, cool. We just did Vossen on Supra, Vossen Supra, Supra Vossen. Yeah, and so you can concavity, fitment, sportiness, fitment, flush, fitment, sporty. This is the car we did satin guard on. Sporty, exhaust tip. My next mod I would recommend would be a big spoiler. Yeah.
I am never gonna financially recover from this.
It's your boy, Ted! I'm taking Haywood's place right now. I'm gonna be shooting this MK5 Supra we just installed Vossen's on. Here's the owner. He's excited. Vossen HF5's on it. He's gonna go down the street, make a U-turn. Get woo, fuck!
That's it for the vlog. Thanks so much for watching. We want to work in your car, so hit us up. Our contact info is in the description down below. We will see you next time.
What, bro? Thinking about duties?
Show me.
I don't have it.
Where is it?
I sold it.
Show me.
I sold it.
Show me.
No.
Is it in your pants?
Something else is in this pants. Everything's in my pants. I'm gonna wear it upside down for the camera.
You should wear your version of it.
Wait, what version?
Haywood has an off-white mask. Is it still here?
Yeah, I have an off-white man. Yeah, I do. You want to see it?
We can chest pump and like, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. Haywood looks more off-white than yours. Yours just says off-white. He has the actual logo on it.
Yeah, let me show you. Bro, look, we matched, man.
Did you get that off StockX?
Alibaba? I think it's Alibaba. I'm not really sure.
I'm about to die.
How much you pay for the mask? Let me guess.
You don't want to know.
Let me guess, $130.
250.
Whoa.